Hello. Hey,
Hello.
Andrew.
Hmm.
Andrew, he school ka kalpui chin Lamart. Suak thau dia Lamart near Kolkata. Kar masakan mai kala karon ko to Hey, tunayan dunami samiron klo kan school kalpui chin hostel ko pui chin te Kolkata Lamart sa kalpui chin te miron klo hian video kan siam thi na. Tuan atu ve em ma Andrew he puti bisi rozara papa. Yeah, younger son. No.
Youngest son.
Youngest son, yeah.
Spoiled baby.
But maybe.
I'm a spoiled baby.
So he's the man of the hour. KFC with Andrew. Today's KFC with Andrew.
KFC conversations.
KFC conversation.
KFC conversations. Coffee with Karan.
Coffee with Karan.
KFC conversations. You should brand it like that.
So we are here in Dunamis. Actually, it's pretty posh. The Tongkotoran, yeah. From Vaibakonama, you come and visit us. Please follow Pretty Posh 24 in Instagram. You know, Zonganga. So and my channel is Timor Dunamis. You on YouTube. Please follow that. Or please subscribe that. So Andrew, tell me, why are you gay? No, we'll edit that out. No, it's okay.
It's a good start.
Good start.
Surprise ambush question.
No, surprise question. Why are you gay?
Why are you gay? You are gay. First of all, I'm not gay. Langwal ka niya. I have to set the record straight also.
True. So,
Master, I like your store, I must say, Timothy.
Thank
Your
you.
store is very nice.
Right.
It is pretty posh, as you call it. Lives up
Thank
to
you.
its name.
Lives up
And
to-
a lot of, I mean, people will see it when they pass by. Parking too.
let's hope people come in and buy some stuff, not only see it. Yeah?
Yeah,
Okay.
and the place is also really nice. The
Okay.
setup, the himo, I like
Alright.
the where you've done the merchandising, interior,
Yes.
lighting.
We try to
Very
make it
charming.
posh, like the name. And most of these items, we don't, we don't take so many pieces. Like, we try to make it a bit exclusive. And we take good stuff.
That is
China.
one problem with
So Andrew, Kolkata, La Martiniera, 2004 batch kan niya, class 12 kan pass out. That's when we went different ways. So tell me your life and studies after that.
so you are kind of kala.
You can say in English also if you're more comfortable with English.
So I went to DU. I was in SRCC
Okay.
from 2004 to 2007.
Mm.
Delhi is a very different city
Yeah.
from Calcutta,
Mm.
where we did schooling. And Delhi people are very different from people in East India and people from, let's say, Mizoram and the hills.
Yes.
Delhi people are, I would say, I mean, it's a cliche that they are very cunning and chalaku and backstabbing. But I also made some great friends there, so it's a mix. But as a culture, as a city, it's very different.
But then when you see Delhi also is like a place where different parts of the country they come together.
Yes and no. What I've realized, so after college, I was going to go a bit ahead. I also worked in Delhi for a very long time, and now I've been based out of Bangalore for the last 5+ years. I've realized that if you look at India's geography, right, you have northwest, east, south, right?
Correct.
North India, which is your Rajasthan, UP, there aren't many cities.
Okay.
I mean, there's Lucknow, fine, there's Jaipur, fine. But people don't go to these cities for jobs. They
Right.
leave these cities and everyone comes to Delhi.
Okay.
So Delhi is that one city in North India that everyone goes to. Compare that to South India, where I've been staying. So South India has Bangalore, but you also have Chennai, you also have Hyderabad, you also have Kochi.
Okay.
So it's more spread out in terms of the places, options. The options are more. So in North India, what happens in Delhi is that everyone wants to go to Delhi. So there's more competition.
That is the capital of India.
Which is a good thing. Yeah, so
Which
it's
is
the
also
capital of
the
India. It's a good thing when there are more people, if it's
Yeah.
competition and all of that.
Hmm.
But it also means that people are more cutthroat. You know,
Yes.
the competition is
Culturally speaking, also it's more diverse than any other.
yeah, it's more diverse. It's more diverse for sure because everyone from even Northeast goes there. Since it's the capital of India, Delhi has direct flights to Aizawl, for example, right? Like Bangalore, Hyderabad, Bombay, these flights don't have direct flights to Aizawl, right? So you get a lot more people from outside coming in general, but also a larger number of people, more competition, all of that. But again, it's a great city from the point of view of infrastructure, from the point of view of exposure you get. Right? So I love Delhi. I think I'd love to settle in Delhi if I had the option.
Delhi is, I feel like it's a very spread out place. It's a well planned city, of course.
Yeah, yeah.
But
The
then
roads are great.
roads are great.
The public transport
Yeah.
metro is great. Yeah.
But yes,
So,
Andrew, he
yeah.
SRCC Delhi University, BCom, right? No, was it? Economics, BA Economics. So itu IIM Bangalore.
Yeah.
Hasil ya MBA so after that, which was their first company?
Their first company was at that time I mean, it wasn't small by even today's standards, but relatively smaller startup called Direct Eye, which now you would probably, I mean, if you want to Google it, you should Google this company called Media.net. Which is a very big, it's $1 billion internet company. India started, started by two brothers.
Okay.
So my first company was there. So
Okay, who are these two brothers? Tell me about these two brothers.
Divyang Turakia and Bhavin Turakia. You should Google them. They're really, really smart people.
Okay.
I think they would arguably be the smartest people I've ever met in real life. Or like in terms of face to face. Like obviously you have your Elon Musk who are super smart.
Okay.
But you never met these people.
Okay.
Divyang and Bhavin were two people who were really smart.
Okay.
And had met both of them obviously for the interview. I worked there for a year. So they were two brothers who are, I think, Gujarati, if I remember correctly, from West India. And they started their company with around 25,000 rupees as a loan from their father. They started it when they were in their, I think, late teens or early 20s. And today they're both billionaires. But they're, I think, in 2016, so Media.net, the company I mentioned, they sold it to some investors. And they both became billionaires. They both became, I think, top 10, top 20, top 20, top 30 richest people in India list.
I see.
Immediately with that sale. So very smart people.
What are their names again?
Bhavin and Divyang Turakia. Turakia, so T-U-H, okay, I might watch this up, but T-U-H-R-A Turakia, R-A-K-I-K-I-Y-A.
Okay.
If you search for Bhavin and Divyang, you'll get it. Divyang, so D-I-V-Y-A-K, you'll get it.
So are they running any company now?
No, so now they've both kind of taken retirement.
Only
I mean, no,
retirement.
okay, so Bhavin is still starting up some companies. If you've heard of this company called Zeta, they're into these.
Zeta.
Yeah, they're into these Surexo kind of cards, right?
Okay.
Something like Surexo cards. That's started by Bhavin again. Divyank, as far as I know, is chilling in either Dubai or US. I'm forgetting where. Again, they both are billionaires now, so they don't need to really work for money. So I think they're just doing whatever they want to do right now.
$1 billion.
Right?
Like if in terms of rupees, how much would that be?
I mean, direct translation.
Just do a calculation.
Yeah, I mean that's 8,500 crores, right? 8,500 crores, right? Just I mean, this math.
8,500 crores. Like, how would you spend those? I mean,
if you just do the math, that's 8,500 crores. But
life is made.
yeah, life is made more. Like if you
For generations to come. Huh?
yeah, for generations to come.
But then, I think talking of billionaires, Kanye West just come up on the list again, Forbes list.
Oh,
Yeah.
Okay.
He lost like 2 billion in a day, you know.
Why?
He had some issues with Adidas.
Was that the racism comments that he made?
Pretty much so.
Yeah, I remember that.
Idea
This is a while
no
back.
idea. He's a wild man, like
A year back, right? A year
Yeah,
back.
So then he's
A
come.
year and a half back now.
He's come back.
Hmm.
If reports are to be true.
Okay. Oh, I think this is my delivery. Hello.
Yeah, it's a very good evening. Actually, this is the system from 4.1 Sheridan Hotel.
Oh no, no, coming there.
Thank you.
I get this type of call 100 times a day.
Yeah, I know. Everybody's like selling something.
Especially like I'm also listed in this India Mart. So every time you look up his medicine.
Did you get some follow-up calls?
Yeah, man.
Please, do you want to buy it? You had buying it on a van.
I can't keep track of the company's name. Okay. Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you.
See you.